Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to Shopify from other websites. You can also import products, for example, from your own Shopify website to your second Shopify website. Hopefully it makes sense. So you can easily import products, like I said, from anywhere on the internet to your own Shopify website. Now there are two apps that will help you do that. Okay, the first one, it's called Importify. Just go to your own Shopify store and then click on settings at the very bottom left. And then what you guys need to do, you want to click here where it says apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Okay, now there are two apps, like I said. The first one, it's called Importify. Okay, now as you can see, after you download the Importify, I click on install. Click on after you are on the Importify page, click on install, click again on install, and that's it. And then after that, you want to then select the free plan, the basic one, which is this one. Okay, keep in mind that it only offers free plan, and after 1 day your card will be charged, so make sure to to cancel the subscription before the 1 day ends. Okay, you can do that by removing the app from your Shopify store. So after that, after you import all the products you want to your own Shopify store, then you can remove it by going to settings at the very bottom left, clicking on apps and sales channels, and then next to the app, make sure you click on these three little dots, click on uninstall, click again on uninstall, and that's exactly what you guys need to do. Okay, after you finish importing products from the website that you want to your Shopify store. Now click on select here. Of course, you need to add your credit card, but they are not going to charge it right now. Click on approve here, and that's it. Now after you download the app, you need to open a new browser. You need to open a new tab and search for Importify extension. Okay, and then after you search for it, it's called Importify extension. Make sure you download it. Okay, on the Chrome web store, click on add to Chrome. I already did that. And make sure you after you download this, click on extensions icon, and make sure you pin the extension in the top by clicking on this pin button or pin icon next to Importify products importer. So like I said, just guys, pin the extension in the top. Now what you guys need to do, these are the let me show you guys exactly what I mean. Go to Importify app. That's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to show you websites that are available, that are supported. Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on apps and sales channels, Importify, open the app, and here you will find the I'm going to websites. Okay, I'm going to these are all supported websites that you can import from, like Etsy, for example. Let's try Etsy. Now I'm going to go to Etsy, and I'm going to find a random product there, and I can easily import a product from Etsy to my own Shopify. Just click on the extension in the top, and then click on import now, scroll down, and then click on add to store, and this exact product has been imported successfully to your Shopify store. Now you can also go to your Shopify store, and this is the product. Okay, it's in just 1 second the product will be imported to your Shopify. Now you can do that for all these websites, for example, Alibaba, Amazon, Temu, Banggood, CG Dropshipping. This Chinese website, it's called Taobao. Okay, Tmall, Walmart, like many websites. But what if you want to import products from a random website that is not known? Okay, it's not known, and you only for example, you can do that from a random website that's, for example, a Shopify website, a Shopify store. You want to import products from Shopify store, or a store that is not popular. Okay, what you guys need to just click on settings, click on apps and sales channels. Okay, click on Shopify App Store and download this app that will help you import products anywhere. Okay, any website in the world, you can easily just Robo. Okay, it's called Robo. Sorry, the app called Robo. This is the name of the app. It's called Robo Product Importer. Click on install. And after, guys, you click on install. I don't know why this is taking so long. Now you want to click on install again, and then after that you want to then download the extension. Okay, click on approve, and then that's it. Now here it says here install our free Chrome extension. Click on get extension here. The same thing. Okay, click on add extension here, and click again on add the extension. Make sure you pin it in the top. Click on this extensions icon. Click on this pin icon next to Robo. Okay, like this. Now after you see here the extension in the top, then what you guys need to do, go to any website. Okay, it could be Amazon, for example. It could be your own website. It could be any website you can find online. You can easily import products from there. Now I'm going to find a random product here, for example this one. Now you just need to click on the Robo app in the top. Click on add to Shopify. After, guys, you click on add to Shopify, you can make some changes to the products before you push it to your own Shopify store. For example, the images, these are the images. The description, you can also edit description before pushing this to your Shopify store. After you are finished, click on import, click on add to Shopify, and then this exact product will be imported to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to go to my own Shopify store, and I'm going to show you this exact product. As you can see, this is it. Okay, it has been successfully imported to our Shopify store. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys then. Drop a like and see you.